Bisha ici cia video na iriroirwo hindi ya igongona ria kuhurukia James Oyugi uria urari muruti wa wira thiini wa gicukiro kia mirigo mwena wa Mombasa no uria urakuire kumana na murimu wa corona ni cikoretwo igituthura mawoni gatagati ka Kenya.
There's a very big risk of people leaning towards culture and forgetting that what has been done is in the overall interest of the immediate family, the extended family, and the family at large.
Murumu uyu urahurukirio thaa inyanya gugikia muthenya wa ira mwena wa Siaya undu uria utumite family yake yumirie na kuga murumu uyu arathikirwo na njira ya unyamu na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ikiuga ciota gukinyukia ikinya kumana na uria igongona ria guthika murumu uyu riratwarithirio na mbere.
We are aware that the burial of a COVID-19 disease victim in Siaya County has raised some concerns that COVID-19 victim bodies shall be disposed in a manner that protects the living from infections and in accordance with the Ministry of Health burial protocols.
Family ya murumu uyu yugite mwiri wake uthikurio na tafaniro igongona ria kwagiriire riri thirikari yugite undu uyu ni uramurikwo na njira nene ona gutuika a Kenya no moka meharirie gukorwo magicenjia mikire ya uria makoretwo magika magongona matiganite.
That moving forward there will be challenges. I want to say in an honest term as I can and be brutally honest that our cultural practices on how we dispose the bodies of our loved ones may not be practical in an extreme situation.
Riu gifaro wa kiria kiri moko-ini ma ministry ogima wa mwiri ni gwethana na riothe marakoretwo mahutania na murumu uyu kuna kurerekana kinyire guku Nairobi kuma Mombasa tariki 5 mweri uyu na kiambia thafari ya guthie Siaya tariki 6 mweri uyu.
So far we have got 45 people in quarantine who come out of that one individual within Siaya County, and more we will probably be joining them in the course of the day and as we move into tomorrow.
Maya mokite riri mundu ungi umwe akuite kumana na murimu wa corona guku Nairobi guku andu angi 11 magikurikana mari na murimu uyu na cio riboti iria ciandikithitio cia murimu uyu wa corona igikinya 280.
All the 11 are Kenyans. 4 have a history of travel from the United Arab Emirates. 6 are male while 5 are female, aged between 1 year and 42 years.
Thirikari ningi nianireire ni magathikite mibango ya kuigana iria tamburukitio ginyagia makaunti-ini igie kuhitana na murimu uyu wa corona uria tuikite kiagago kinene.